Hi everyone, so today we're just doing our revision of what we've been doing this past 2 weeks in our decimals, our addition, our subtraction and our multiplication. So for B1 we're doing our addition. So our addition, we always need to make sure that the decimal points are always underneath each other, the units are always underneath each other, the tenths are always underneath each other, and the hundredths are always underneath each other. So we always start on the right hand side with the top digit. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. Down our 0. Over our 1. 3 plus 4 equals 7 plus 1 equals 8. We always make sure the decimal points always underneath each other. And then 7 plus 2 equals 9. Whenever you're completing B, C and D, always need to make sure that we fill out the sum. So important in C is 20 plus 9, 20.90. And then for D, see 15 is a whole number, so we'll need to change that to a decimal number before we start the sum. And for 2, we're doing takeaways. So takeaways, same thing, units go underneath the units, decimal points always go underneath the decimal points, tenths go underneath the tenths, hundredths go underneath the hundredths. So it's the same with addition, we start on the right hand side, top digit, and then 2 take away 7, cannot do, we need to go next door and rename. So we rename one of the tenths, means that there's 0 tenths left, and when we take that tenth over to the hundredths, then it's 10. So now we have 12 take away 7, which equals 5. And when we go to the tenth, 0 take away 7, we cannot do. So we need to go next door to the units, and we rename one of the units. So we have 7 units left, and we rename one of the units as 10 tenths. So now we have 10 take away 7 equals 3. We always make sure our decimal point always goes underneath each other, and our subtraction sums, decimal point in, and 7 take away 5 equals 2. So the same for 2, we're doing our subtraction. Just need to be careful just with C, we have a whole number. 8 take away 1.65, so we need to change the 8 to a decimal number before we start our sum to C. And then for number 3, we're doing our multiplication. So there's the whole number first multiplied by the decimal number. But whenever you're doing these sums, as Mr. Doherty has here for 3a, always put the decimal number on top and then the whole number goes on the bottom, as it makes it then easier to complete the sum. And for our multiplication, we always start on the right hand side, and we have 6 multiplied by 8 equals 48. We put down our 8, and we take over our 4. 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16, plus 4 is 20. 0 over 2. 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32, plus 2 equals 34. So to see where we put our decimal point, let's take our decimal point out, where the number will look 1, 2 spaces, so it needs to go in then 1, 2 spaces. So 4.26 multiplied by 8 would equal 34.08. And then for C, it tells us that 1 kilogram of nuts cost 3.44. So €3.44. Work out how much you would pay for A, 8 kilograms, and B, 1/8 of a kilogram. So if we know that 1 kg equals 3.44, how would we work out how much 8 kilograms weighs? And then if we know that 1 kilogram of nuts costs €3.44, how would we figure out how much 1/8 of a kilogram cost. So 1/8 of a kilogram is a fraction of 1 kilogram. 8 kilograms then is a multiple of 1 kilogram. So what sums do we need to do to find our answers to A and B?